Oh, it's been a while. This is so fun. Disco Peach Decoy engaged. Glitter Mist is at 110%. Smells like fruit and chaos in here. Perfect. Did fall for it. I told you I've outsmarted all of them before. Genie, Glitzerbell, Breadhook, all of them. I never lose. Did your nose just get longer? But absolutely not. That's ridiculous. Okay, it's like a full-blown flavor thermometer now. Are you lying? Absolutely not. That's ridiculous. Whoa. I do not lie. I strategically distort the truth for dramatic effects. You're cursed. It's a lie detecting nose. This is amazing. Shut the front door, Bungeldorf. I feel something peculiar. A flavor I haven't sensed before. It's spicy. Mysterious. Deceptive. Whoa. Oh, honey. That beacon is sparkly enough to wake a sleeping disco goblin. And it's got my name written all over it. Could be the peach. Could be a trap. Could be Bungeldorf trying to bait us with glitter again. That ain't peach. That's artificial glamour scent. Smells like one of my failed pastries. Fabulous, but fake. And yet, I must investigate for fashion, for flair, for the peach. This beat has no bounce. Who programs disco with a polka rhythm? Yep. Track confirmed. Spicy readings are too symmetrical. Real chaos ain't that neat. And yet, someone's watching us. I feel frosting fury in the air. They've entered the bait zone. In 3, 2... Wait! You said they'd fall for it, not figure it out. Of course they won't! Sweet gravy, your nose is about to hit orbit. What gives? I am not lying, dadgummit! Well, if it isn't the Broken Nose Brigade! Nadia Scorchfield, Bungeldorf, Jum. That's one full oven of burnt biscuits. The peach is safe. The eggs are sealed. What could you possibly want? I want vengeance. I want the glitter gone. I want a universe of order. She lied too many times. Now she's got a space carrot where her face should be. And clearly, you want a nose job, Sweet Pea. This is not how it's supposed to go. No! This is a strategic retreat, not a total collapse. Ugh. Your idea of strategy, sweetheart, is like a pie with no filling. Loud, messy, and just plain sad. Why is it making kazoo noises? I didn't put that in there with the fake peach scent. Don't you know? I don't know why it's making that. What you do, Dum Dum? Wait! That's not coming from the lore. That's Willifreda's magic if I ever recognized it. Ooh, la 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 la. Just a pinch of absinthe extract, a splash of spiced rum, and a drop of, whoops, international interdimensional peach liqueur. Oops. Great Caesar's ghost! That wasn't nutmeg! Everyone hold on to something! That's a pantry pull if I ever seen one! My pudding cooler! My emergency frosting gun! It's all getting sucked! Willifreda opened the kitchen portal again! We're heading home! Oh, sugar! I just had my lashes laminated. This better not ruin my entrance. Crud muffins! They got away again! Let them scurry back to their pantry. Like over-frosted cupcakes. Let them rest, because when we strike next, there won't be a pantry to run home to! Can we strike after we get off this moon nugget? You know, since my piloting skills are slightly misunderstood by gravity,